second normal form. In second normal form, we will check for the partial dependency, right? Partial dependency is not allowed in second normal form. If it is third normal form, and functional dependency is like x goes to y, and which is the non-trivial functional dependency, then either x should be the super key, or y should be prime attribute, or y should be prime attribute, right? Either x should be the super key or y should be prime attribute. And what about BCNF? For BCNF, we can say if there is a non-trivial functional dependency like x goes to y, then we can say this either this x must be super key. This is what mandatory. X must be super key. Must be super key. This x must be super key. Then we can say that functional dependency is in the BCNF, right? So this is the summary about these normal forms. So now confirm me it is clear or not. So now you all are comfortable to solve the problem related to the normalization. So let us see a question. So a relation is given. Relation R is given as A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the relation given, and functional dependencies are given as FDs are given as it is A goes to B, C, D, E, F, B, C, D, E, F, B, C, D, E, F, and next BC goes to A, D, E, F, BC goes to A, D, E, F. Here it is BC. BC goes to A, D, E, F, and B goes to F. B goes to F, and D goes to E. D goes to E. Right? This is what the functional dependencies that given, and also it is given that A and BC candidate key. Candidate keys are A and BC. These are two candidate key. Right? Now find the highest normal form. Find the highest normal form. Find highest normal form. Yes, try for this question. What will be the highest normal form in this question? Okay, Ekta is saying it is first normal form. Yes, what about others? Monica, Anu, Kavita. Sandeep is saying it is second normal form. Okay, let's see what is the normal form here. So, yes. So, let me write down the normal form here. This is what first normal form, right? Here it is second normal form, third normal form, and here it is BCNA. And we are looking for the highest normal form. Okay, so let's see the first normal form. For the first normal form, what is the condition? There should not be the multi-valued dependency, and multi-valued dependency is representing like a this one. If it is x goes to, there will be the double arrow, x goes to y, right? So there is no functional dependency which is a multi-valued, right? If it is not a multi-valued, there is a no problem, always it is in first normal form. So this is in first normal form, right? All cases are satisfying in case of first normal form. So all these functional dependencies are satisfying in the first normal form. What about the second normal form? In the second normal form, we'll check for the partial dependency, right? So in the second normal form, we'll check for the partial dependency. So partial dependency means subset of proper subset of candidate keys, proper subset of candidate key, which is determining the non-prime attribute, right? So proper subset of this one, it is not possible, but proper subset of this one is possible. That can be B or C, right? So proper subset that can be B और दैट कैन बी सी, राइट? अगर बी नॉन प्राइम को क्या करता है, डिटरमाइन करता है, या फिर सी नॉन प्राइम को डिटरमाइन करता है, राइट? इन सच ए केस देयर विल बी द पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी. सो व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन? इसमें बी नहीं कर रहा है ना, ओके. व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन? सी आल्सो नॉट डूइंग. सो ये वाला केस क्या रहेगा? देयर इज अ नो पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी, वैलिड केस. Okay, in this case BC is doing, but we are looking for the single B, either B determining the non-prime or C determining the non-prime. So ये वाला केस भी क्या रहेगा? वैलिड रहेगा. What about this case? Yes, let's see this case. Here B is the proper subset of the candidate key, because BC is the candidate key. So B is the proper subset, and B is determining F. And what is F? F is not a part of candidate key, so we can say F is the non-prime attribute, and B is what? A proper subset of candidate key. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? This is what a partial dependency. ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो गई? Partial dependency. So here partial dependency is existing. Due to this one, it is failure for the second normal form, right? So this functional dependency is not satisfying, and what about this one? This is satisfying. So this functional dependency is not valid for the second normal form. So there is a partial dependency. Due to the partial dependency, it is not in second normal form. So finally what we can say, it is not in second normal form, it is first normal form. Okay, what about third normal form? For the practice sake, let us see, because if it is not a second normal form, it cannot be third normal form. ठीक है ना? अगर ये सेकंड में नहीं है तो क्या नहीं होगा? थर्ड में भी नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज टू बी इन थर्ड नॉर्मल फॉर्म, फर्स्टली इट शुड बी इन सेकंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म, राइट? सो व्हाट वी कैन से, लेट्स चेक फॉर द थर्ड नॉर्मल फॉर्म. वैसे क्वेश्चन पेपर में तो क्या बोलेंगे, डायरेक्टली देखते ही बोल देंगे इट इज नॉट इन सेकंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म, इट इज इन फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म. सो हाईएस्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म इज द फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म, but for the practice sake I am doing this one. So third normal form is, I will check for the case x goes to y. X, either x should be the super key or y should be the prime attribute, right? either x should be super key or y should be the prime attribute. Okay, so now x is a super key or not? Yes, this one is a super key. So this one is a super key, so this case is valid. What about next case? BC. BC is the left hand side and this is again super key. Super key means this is a fine in case of third normal form. So it is also valid. What about third? B goes to F. So B goes to F means either it should be the super key. B is a super key or not a super key, right? So we'll check for the second case, or it should be the prime attribute. I will check for this one. Is this prime attribute? Prime attribute is what? Prime attribute is, it is B and C. B and C, these are two prime attribute. ठीक है, तो ये prime attribute होगा. So finally F is not a prime attribute, so this case is failing for the third normal form, and this case also failing for the third normal form because D is not a super key. D super key नहीं है. What about this one? E is prime attribute or not? No, prime attributes are only two. It is B and C. So this is not a prime attribute. So this case is also invalid. So these two functional dependencies are there. Due to this one, it is not in third normal form also. बट मुझे थर्ड नॉर्मल फॉर्म के लिए ऑलरेडी यहीं पे कंफर्म हो चुका है. फर्स्टली ये क्या होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी इन सेकंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म. ठीक है. व्हाट अबाउट BCNF? फॉर द प्रैक्टिस सेक लेट अस सी. ओके, सो इन BCNF व्हाट इज द केस? For BCNF, it is x goes to y like non-trivial functional dependency. X goes to y is the non-trivial functional dependency. Then x must be super key. राइट हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को देखना है जस्ट कि ये सुपर की होना चाहिए. दैट x मस्ट बी सुपर की. सो हियर x इज ए सुपर की और नॉट? यस, दिस a is a super key, so we can say this case is valid. What about this one? Next one, BC. BC is a super key or not? Yes, if it is a candidate key, definitely it is super key also. So this is also valid case for the BCNF. What about this case? I will check for B. B is a super key or not? Not a super key. So this case is not valid for BCNF. What about next case? D goes to E. D is a super key or not? D is not a super key. So this is also not a valid case for BCNF. Finally, what we can say, what is the highest normal form here? So highest normal form is first normal form. So in this problem, highest normal form is the first normal form. So it is clear to all? Yes or not? Sandeep got it. It is not in second normal form because there is a partial dependency. Okay, repeat second normal form. What is the problem, Poonam? Where is the problem in second normal form? B goes to F. Yes. So पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी क्या होती है? पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी यही होता है ना कि कैंडिडेट की का प्रॉपर सबसेट किसको डिराइव नहीं करेगा? नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट को, राइट? इट शुड नॉट डिराइव नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट, बट यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? डिराइव कर रहा है. इसका मतलब पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी होगी. तो लेट्स सी, BC इज द कैंडिडेट की और इसमें नॉन सॉरी इसमें इसका प्रॉपर सबसेट क्या हो गया? या तो B हो गया या C होगा, राइट? सो मुझे एक फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी मिल गई जिसमें क्या हो रहा है? इसका प्रॉपर सबसेट B किसको डिटरमाइन कर रहा है? नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट को, राइट? ओके, सो प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ कैंडिडेट की डिटरमाइनिंग द नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट, ये कौन सा केस होता है? दैट इज द केस ऑफ पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्या है? पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी है. ड्यू टू दिस पार्शियल डिपेंडेंसी इट इज नॉट इन सेकेंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म. ठीक है, तो ये सेकेंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म में नहीं होगी. It is clear? Okay. Ritu ma'am, it is BC enough? Yes. Okay, someone is saying something. Prime attribute. Prime attribute means proper subset of the candidate की in the single attribute. ठीक है, सिंगल टाइप्स का एट्रीब्यूट होना चाहिए, जैसे कि ये BC क्या है, कैंडिडेट की है, तो इसमें सिंगल एट्रीब्यूट का प्रॉपर सबसेट क्या बनेगा, B बनेगा, C बनेगा, यही बनेगा ना। तो B क्या है, प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट है, और C भी क्या है, प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट है। कैंडिडेट की का पार्ट सिंगल एट्रीब्यूट वाला वो क्या होता है, प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट। इट इज क्लियर? ओके, सो डी क्या प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट, सॉरी प्रॉपर सबसेट है कैंडिडेट की का? कंप्लीट डेफिनेशन देखेंगे ना, क्या डी प्राइम वो प्रॉपर सबसेट है? अगर प्रॉपर सबसेट है ही नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। या सो नेक्स्ट BCNF रिपीट करना है। BCNF में मैंने बोला क्या चेक करना है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या होनी चाहिए, सुपर की होनी चाहिए, राइट, इट इज मस्ट, एक्स मस्ट बी द सुपर की, यानी कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सुपर की होना चाहिए। तो यहाँ पे इस वाले में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सुपर की है क्या, यस, ए इज द कैंडिडेट की, कैंडिडेट की मीन्स इट इज सुपर की ऑल्सो, सो वी कैन से दिस केस इज वैलिड। What about this case BC? BC is a candidate key or not? Yes, it is a candidate key, means it is a super key. So this case also valid. So second case also valid. What about third case? B. So we'll check for B. B is a super key or not? No, B is not a super key. B super key नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे? Reject this case. It is not satisfying the condition of BCNF. What about this one? D. D is a super key or not? D is not a super key. If D is not a super key, reject this one also. It is not a BCNF. So finally एक भी functional dependency क्या होगी, रिजेक्ट होगी, अलाउड नहीं है, तो क्या होगा, दैट इज नॉट द नॉर्मल फॉर्म, लाइक इट इज नॉट द BCNF। यस रितु मैम, इट इज क्लियर? ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Oh, it is enough for today? हाँ मैं यही तो कह रहा हूँ, इट इज एनफ फॉर टुडे। ओके फाइन।